husga kung sino ang karapat-dapat puntungan ng corona. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, Infanta. This is Maria Mina Villaverde, 30, representing Sampaloc!
Maria
Ngayon
kayo
po, mga kaibigan, hindi po ako mag-iiwan ng kasabihang bastos o katawa-tawa. Ngunit ang isang katotohanan lamang po na ang pagsuot ng costume ay wala sa laki at wala sa ganda. Kundi, kung paano po ito madadala. Judges, this is your candidate number 4. Mark my number because I will give you a best show. A night to remember. Thank you.
Ang laki ng wings niya.
Hello! Hi! Sa nilayo-layo ng aking biniyahe, nabawi ang aking pagod sa dami ng gwapo sa lugar ninyo! Happy Hangin Festival in Bata! Hep hep! Hooray! Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight, we are all here to celebrate equality, femininity, and diversity. Also, we came here to showcase the beauty of our beloved hometown. And I believe that costume is not about how colorful, how big, or how extravagant it is. It is all about how we carry our tradition and culture. That's why tonight, ladies and gentlemen, all the way last from the majestic Malagundong Bridge, the sweetness of yama cake, tilupak at budin, the satisfying taste. My name is Patricia Vargas, but tonight, allow me to carry the name of your Binibining Pilipinas 2019 Miss Universe at ang babaeng inyong pinapang gabi-gabi sa Encantadia. Opo, ako nga po si Celebes. Bakit hindi po natin Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's not about body, beauty, and intelligence, but it is how you play the game. Because being here is a battle of a lifetime. A journey with 1,000 miles begin with a single step. A girl in the front of you is Petal Cadavisio, a 24-year-old stunner who's truly all the way last in the fascinating, majestic way. Beautiful places from the whole of the Pahiyas Festival of Piano Repeat, Balinganda, Lukban, Probinsya ng Quezon. Thank you. Verse 9, please do allow me to stand by the name of the one and only, the sexiest, the prettiest, and the gorgeous. Make way for Miss Anita Rose Gomez. Anita Rose Gomez na nagsasabi, sa kagustuhan ho natin maging magaling, nakakalimutan na natin maging mabuti. And wearing
This version uses from the legend of the word humali, articles to show your passion. From the farthest horizon of the Philippine Sea, where the sun sits, and the golden shore of Quezon Province. I represent a land of legend and true greed, where a young man's love once echoed the cry of humali. I am Andrea Bravo. I'm a 21-year-old stunner taking a Bachelor of Science and Tourism in Hospitality Management. And this costume that I'm wearing tonight is inspired by the Tinubang celebration of beauty, pride, and remarkable talent of our modern Francine Martinez Astronomia. 18 years old stunner.
Dance, dance. Dance. Sige na ah.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Pangingisda ang pamumuhay ng aking pamilya sa Dinahican. Pangingisda na kung saan ito ang yaman ng infanta. Pangingisda na kung saan dito sila namamayagpag. Ladies and gentlemen, I am all the way
Dami niyang
from
ibon.
Dinahican, Infanta. This is Pia Garcia, and I am very proud, 33 years old stunner, and I am your reigning queen, Miss International Queen Philippines Calabarzon 2024. And ladies and gentlemen, tonight I am very proud to say na Dinahican, Infanta, tara na, sabay-sabay umahon, sabay-sabay maging masikap. Maraming salamat.
By the mythical and multicolored bird from the Philippines, it's what you call evil. At na. By the way, sa bayang babalik-balikan, Pananuay!
By the way, this is Rhea Ilaga, 18, nagmula sa bayan kong mahal, bayan ng Infanta.
Dami niyang kasama, no?
Buhay, bayan ng Infanta, magandang gabi, Northern Quezon. Behold, be aware, and be mystified by the beauty of this city. Standing in very front of you is the imperfectly perfect epitome of the beauty queen who believes in the saying that to be yourself in a world that is trying to make you something else is the greatest accomplishment. Ako po ay nagmula sa surfing capital ng lalawigan ng Quezon, ang bayang tunay na may malasakit, bayan ng Riyan. My name is Abo Kusilatar Manlugon na nagsasabing
Tonight is a tribute to the modern counselor
Babae, anak.
who shines with
Babae.
grace, strength, and authenticity. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to take this moment to introduce myself. I am Ivy Dalmacion de los Santos, 24 years old, all the way from the art and summer capital of Quezon Province, the home of the Reyes Festival, ang kalungan ng masaganang ani, Lukban, Quezon. Bayan ng Infanta, ang aking kasuotan ay nagmula o tribute para sa ating mga minamahal na dumagat. kabutihan, hindi kahit iman kayo maging buhay at paglaban. Pinahanap sa bansang silangan upang doon makita ang silay ng aking kagandahan. All the way to the majestic landong of the Emirates, my name is Maria Patricia Arif at ang babae kong nasa inyong harapan ay babaeng nagpatibok sa higang puso ni Papa Fredo, ang babaeng may mising Serena at ang babaeng hinugot sa kanyang likha. Ang nag-iisa at namumukod dami, Miss Marian Rivera, na nagsasabi ang kasuotan ng aking hain ay tungkol sa makabago at modernisasyon ng Barukan Saya
and the organizing committee of the Healing Marikit ng Northern Quezon said that we are going to provide a festival costume that is related to our municipality. Me and my team